Today we're going to do a cool video talking about the new Turtlebox Grande. We've had the Gen 3s for quite a few years now, and we've come to love them. We use them for everything from boating, fishing, camping, on the paddleboard, and honestly just every day around the house. I keep one always in my office when I'm working, or if I'm doing yard work, I can just throw one on the zero turn and call it a day. These things have become like my everyday sidekick. It's amazing how long the battery life lasts, especially with how loud these units are. And with the Grande, we're even more excited. We're going to pack way more audio in just a slightly bigger footprint. So with that extra size, you're not only getting a louder unit overall, but you're also getting more battery life and more bass and just all around a higher level quality audio. With the Gen 3, these are the units that everybody knows and loves. So upgrading to the Grande isn't because of the quality of these, it's just because you want louder and bigger and you never have too much audio. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it and then kind of talk about some of the cool features and upgrades with it. Okay, you know the rule. Let's get into it. So first reaction, you can just see how much bigger it is in the box. So I want to open it up and then dive into it a little deeper. And this is the moment. Ta-da. When they say Grande, they mean it. It's just a wee bit bigger. Comparing it to the Gen 3s, you can just see how much bigger the Grande is. And it has all the same rugged features that you've loved with these, but just in the bigger form factor. So since I don't know this by heart, I'm just going to quickly rattle off some of the main features of the Grande. So it still has your typical IP67 waterproof rating, which means it's submersible up to 30 minutes at 3 feet, and it can also handle dust, dirt, debris, whatever you can throw at it. One of the cool features of this is party mode. So with these units and the Grande, you can sync them all together with Bluetooth and really amplify your overall party audio, whatever you want to call it. So that's a pretty cool feature. Over the last several years, I ran a full massive JR audio system in my mud boat, and I recently sold that boat, and as I was designing the new boat, I decided to go with a more minimalist style design. And instead of doing that really big audio system that's always installed, I'm going to mount these on the gunnels, and then I have this as backup just if I need the extra juice. We're going to tune back in a few months to see how I like using the turtle boxes exclusively with the new boat compared to having the JL audio system. But for the versatility these provide, I'm super excited because for having such a big system before, I could only use it in the boat. I can pull these in and out and take them wherever the adventures kind of lead us. One cool feature that I really want to hop on with this, battery technology has came a long way. So those crappy old Bluetooth speakers from a few years ago, the batteries die so quickly. But with the Grande, you're getting almost 40 plus hours of battery life. That's a long time given the size of this unit. And in my case, you can see I went with the gray Grande to kind of go with my other gray and darker green Gen 3s. God damn it. Why do you have to run out on me? The battery just died on the camera base, so that is what it is. To wrap up this quick video, I just wanted to give you a quick showcase to kind of how the size compares of the Gen 3 and the Grande. But we're definitely going to stay tuned for future videos where you're definitely going to be seeing this featured a lot, whether it's on the boat, camping, fishing, whatever it may be. This is going to become my new sidekick.